guys, we are back with Nina for another super easy hairstyle. It's going to be a protective style that you can keep in for a while, and it's just a cute take on a ponytail. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by spraying her hair down and combing out all the knots and tangles. She just had a different style in for a couple days, so we're just switching it up. Okay, so I'm going to be making a part that goes all the way around her head in a circle. So let's go ahead and try that. With this kind of part, you want to just do it section by section and try to keep them as lined up as possible. So I'm going to start not too far back, about that much, and then just take that all the way around. Okay, so there is my part. It's not totally perfect, but I just went all around her head. Turn your head. All around. So now we're going to, I need to fix that. We're going to make parts. We're going to make box parts all along this outer part. I just tied this part up because I don't need it right now. So I'm just going to get the hair wet, make my sections, and put in a ponytail. I'm also going to be using a little bit of this flaxseed gel from Aunt Jackie's. So I'm just going to put a little bit on there to get them to stay, and then put my ponytail in. Alright, so we have this row. I just separated these into about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 sections, and put in a little ponytail. Now what we're going to do is another circled part all the way around, the same way we did the first one. Alright, and here is our second part, same way, it's just going all the way around. And what we're going to do here is make the same parts that we made first. You're going to line them up, and then when you put the ponytail in, you're going to add this hair to the ponytail, to each section. So I just made this first part right here the same as this one, lined the lines up. I'm going to gather this hair, put it in, and then put my rubber band in. Just like that, and then you're just going to go all the way around and do that. Okay, so there we have it. We connected the first box to the next one all the way around. So what I'm going to do now is just put in a twist in each one of these sections. Just put one over the other, twist it all the way down. Alright, so now that I got all those twists in, all I'm going to do is wet her hair a little bit. Get my soft bristled brush, comb it all up into a ponytail here. And then I'm going to add all the twist parts to this ponytail. Just bring them all up together. And then you're going to put in the rubber band. And there you go. This is the final look. It's pretty easy. The hardest part, I would say, is just parting it in a circle around the head, but what you want to do is just take parts. Just part here first, make sure it's nice and even, and then part right here to make sure it lines up and it's pretty even, and keep going around in different sections until you get a nice circular part. But that is the end. Alright guys, that was our video for today. This is the hairstyle she'll be keeping in for about a week, and I think it came out really cute. It's super easy. The parting is probably the hardest part, but once you get that, it's really easy. So if you like this hairstyle, give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because we have a lot more hair tutorials coming and we want you guys to join us. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.